Want to boost your productivity and get more done in less time? Here are the top 5 free browser extensions that will help you stay organized, focused, and efficient. Let's get started. First up is LastPass, a must-have for password management. LastPass securely stores all your passwords, making it easy to access them with just one master password. The browser extension allows you to quickly autofill login details on any site, saving you time and keeping your account secure. No more forgetting passwords. Next is Grammarly, perfect for improving your writing. Whether you're drafting an email or working on a blog post, Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, and even offers style suggestions in real time. The extension works across multiple platforms, from Google Docs to social media, ensuring your writing is always polished and professional. Third on our list is RescueTime, an extension that helps you track how you spend your time online. It runs in the background and provides detailed reports on how much time you spend on websites or apps. This is great for identifying productivity drains and helps you stay focused on what matters most throughout your day. Next is Todoist, a powerful task management tool. With the browser extension, you can add tasks directly from your browser, categorize them into projects, and set deadlines. It's perfect for organizing your to-do list and staying on top of your daily tasks, whether you're working on personal goals or team projects. And finally, we have Stay Focused, an extension that helps you limit time spent on distracting websites. You can set time limits for specific sites, and once your time's up, Stay Focused blocks access to them for the rest of the day. It's a great way to curb procrastination and keep your focus on work. To recap, LastPass keeps your passwords secure, Grammarly improves your writing, RescueTime helps track your online habits, Todoist keeps you organized, and Stay Focused blocks distractions. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.